Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Mated with Unity Mondays for the 30th of May 2022, where I feature some of the best games, creations and everything made in Unity, and be sure to submit to me if you have any awesome creations. Be sure to check out all the links in the descriptions for all the new sales on Humble Bundle, the Unity store, including their new UI big massive sale. Don't forget to throw a like on this video and be subscribed to always be kept up to date. The first one by Pixel Doodles, where sometimes you've just got to cool off. Next one by VR Giants is exactly what the name suggests. Voxel Guy has a way to turn a really boring cardboard box into a VR toy. Adrian Mendez G has got some incredible looking red slashes. Ksenia, the Wanted Raccoon, is a skateboarding raccoon. Danny Martin Dev has got some active ragdoll golems fighting in some ruins. Space Lizard Studio has got the making of the characters from Paper Cut Mansion. Conradicalissimo has got the first boss from the Working RPG. Dinkum Dev is showing off some brand new farming and the sim life day to day. M_Hakazaki has got a beautiful visual effects graph with drawing of background particles. And Trump is excited to announce the release of an awesome VR framework which has taken 6 years of development, and it'll be free and open source for you. Elemental_2121 has got the Edge of the Dark Sun. Mr. Lee has got physics-based multiple tentacles with procedural animations. Yummy Games has got a whole showcase of some awesome looking motion captured zombie animations. Z-Warp will get you playing the hand game. PI Does Code has got the next version. I've got some really incredible looking textured area lights. Don Zuglo Games has got new spike traps and everything trying to kill you. Zella has got some more awesome skateboarding footage. Methin133 has got some fun, free running animations. T_key has made a system for despawning hexes in a procedurally generated map. So be sure to check out all these amazing creations for this week. Be sure to come and support me on Patreon and get access to over 145 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Do come and join me on Discord if you want to chat, and check out my great assets on the Unity Asset Store along with massive savings on my website. Big thank you to all my patrons, and a special thanks to Peter Steiner, Raheem Whitaker, Tan Yanlin, David76, Sammy Romani, Jean Pommier, Naigoyan, Matt Cinderdinos, Zach, Manos Beracast, Terence Conrad, Gage Linston, Walter Dunson, John Games, Joseph Newman, Randall X, Mumuzu, Rennie Leisure, Darren M, and Topher Chambers. And thank you to everybody else who comes to watch. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers!